If you're thinking of getting a TradingView subscription, you need to watch this video first. On the surface, it looks like the ultimate charting platform to supercharge your trading and make you much more profitable. But after months of thorough testing, I found a few game-changing features that can give you a real trading edge, and some surprising shortcomings that you must know before subscribing. Before we get into the details, let's be clear about one thing right now. Who is a TradingView subscription actually built for? The truth is, a TradingView subscription isn't really for the passive buy and hold investor. It's built for the active trader, the chartist, the person who lives and breathes market movements. Think about the day trader tracking multiple timeframes, the swing trader testing complex strategies, or even the crypto enthusiast monitoring altcoin trends in real time. This platform is for anyone who needs more than just a basic chart. They've built their entire ecosystem around giving you a complete toolkit in one sleek, web-based platform. So you get everything from advanced charting and real-time data alerts to a massive social community where you can share and test ideas and learn things. And that's a lot, but don't just take my word for it. When you look at other users' experiences, the story actually becomes even clearer. So take this one user, for example. He said that he was using the Pro Plus TradingView subscription. He highlighted that the 100 alerts were definitely enough for him, and he loved having up to 10 indicators on a chart and the 4-screen layout. Yeah, he concluded that all these features were totally sufficient for his momentum and swing trading style. I also came across this review from a trader who praised the clean and responsive charts. He said TradingView makes technical analysis easy even for beginners with its built-in libraries for indicators and its powerful drawing tools. Now, when you compare TradingView with a competitor, say Seeking Alpha, the difference in their core purpose I think is obvious. Seeking Alpha is perfect for deep fundamental research and long-term investment opinions, but TradingView's strength is in its real-time visual analysis. It's built for a trader who needs to act on live market insights, not just read about them, right? I saw a revealing thread on Reddit that perfectly highlights this. A user was asking if a TradingView Pro or Premium subscription was worth it because he was making 3 to 5 trades a week across different assets. He loved the charts, but was on the fence. One user replied directly saying that if you're trading that frequently, TradingView subscription is well worth the investment. The added features can seriously improve your trading. So yeah, I think that says everything. If you're a trader who values a powerful, all-in-one charting workbench and thrives in community-driven environments, a TradingView subscription I think is built for you. Alright, so now that you know who it's built for, let's get into the specific features that make TradingView so powerful, and a few things that you need to be ready for. So the first thing that hooked me was their Supercharts. This is at the heart of TradingView. The charting is simply some of the best you'll find anywhere. You can track prices, load them with dozens of indicators, and draw all over them with a huge toolkit. And the best part is that it's incredibly fast and works right in your browser. But what good is a chart if you miss a move? That's where TradingView alerts come in. This is a game changer. You can set super simple alerts for when a stock hits a certain price, or you can create incredibly complex ones based on your own custom indicator formulas. It's all up to you. So I found this invaluable for managing multiple setups without staring at the screen all day. I could just set an alert and get notified when it hit my criteria. And for those who want to test ideas without risk, the paper trading feature is a fantastic tool as well. I've used simulators on many platforms, but TradingView's feels pretty seamless. It's built right into the charts that you're already using, so you can practice your strategy with fake money in the same environments that you'd use for live trading. It's a common starting point for a reason. Now, one of the most underrated features, in my opinion, is the TradingView Screener. So this thing is a powerhouse. It lets you filter the entire market to find stocks, forex pairs, or cryptos that match your exact criteria. Want to find all tech stocks with an RSI below 30 on high volume? You can do that in seconds. The results can be displayed as a list or as mini charts, which is also incredibly visual and useful to see that pretty simply. So the idea of a complete toolkit and all of the different options you get in the screener is, I think, something users really notice and get a lot of use from. There's this review from a trader who was with xmode.com. He said TradingView's unique strength is offering a complete trading experience without leaving the platform. From analysis to broker selection, everything is streamlined. For the options traders out there, the options strategy builder is a beast. You can build any kind of complex options spread you can think of. So calendars, iron condors, you name it, and you can visualize the risk profile right on the chart itself. If you're into options, this tool alone, I think, can justify a TradingView subscription cost. Next, let's talk about one of their newer tools, and that's yield curves. This lets you visualize and compare different government bond yields from different countries. It's a more macro, fundamental tool to see a lot of the basics internationally, and it shows that TradingView is thinking beyond just technical analysis. It's giving you a broader market context. But here's where TradingView subscription really separates itself for the tech-savvy trader, and that is PineScript. This is TradingView's own programming language. So if you have a unique trading idea, and if you have the time and know it, you can actually code it into your own custom indicator or strategy. It takes a long time to actually learn how to use PineScript, and I haven't done it myself, but if you know how to use it, you can program them yourself. The best part is that you can also just backtest it right there on the platform to see how it would have performed historically. And speaking of backtesting, while TradingView has automated tools for it, I found their manual approach, which they highlight in their guides, to be surprisingly effective. So it forces you to really understand your strategy's logic as you test different parameters. And for the live trader, you can connect your broker directly to TradingView really easily. So this means you can monitor the markets, analyze charts, and execute trades all from one single tab in your browser. I connected a demo account, and the process was really smooth. Having everything in one place is also a massive workflow upgrade. I saw this reviewer on stockanalysis.com who raved about this, calling a TradingView really fast, powerful, and extremely easy to use, though he did note that beginners might find it a bit overwhelming at first because it packs in so much functionality. He also highlighted that if you're going to use TradingView long term, you'll most certainly get the TradingView subscription in the long term, but you can also use it beforehand. But of course, from everything everyone has said here and all the features and all of that, no platform is perfect, let alone this one. There are a few things that you should be aware of before you commit to a TradingView subscription plan. In my research, I came across this user review where this trader said that the mobile app could be glitchy at times. He also highlighted that sometimes the watch list would load, but the chart wouldn't. So he felt that it was an app issue, not his network itself, but that it was in the app and that he encountered these glitches. In my own experience testing the mobile app, I found it to be generally solid for checking charts and alerts on the go. I did have a chart fail to load like once or twice, but like I restarted the app or like swiped down and I refreshed it and it fixed it instantly. Like it does seem to be a minor occasional bug rather than like a constant problem. So for a platform that is so robust on desktop, the mobile experience is also very good, but it might have a rare hiccup, and that is something to know. Is this a deal breaker? For me, no. While any app glitch, of course, is annoying, my core trading happens on the desktop, and even on the go, I haven't noticed this much. The stability and speed of the web platform are what I rely on, and that's what TradingView consistently delivers, and there are no glitches like that I've encountered whatsoever. So for most serious traders, the mobile app is a supplemental tool. It's performing its job well enough on the side. When it comes to cost, a TradingView subscription has a wide range of plans to fit different needs and budgets. They have a free version, which is great for getting a feel for the platforms, but you'll quickly hit limits if you're serious and you want to scale up to higher plans. And then their paid plans are really competitively priced, especially when you consider the sheer volume of tools and data that you're getting access to. Compared to other charting software, a TradingView Pro subscription price often represents some really great value. For the most current TradingView subscription pricing, any active promotions, and their latest discount offers, check the link in the description of this video. We try to keep it updated so that you can get the best possible TradingView subscription discount deal whenever you sign up. So, what is my final verdict on a TradingView subscription and what you can get from it? Well, I think it's simple. If you are an active trader who relies on some sharp charts, real-time data, and a powerful set of analysis tools, then subscribing to TradingView is absolutely worth it. Check the link in the description to get started with their current discount offers.